Hi everyone, Adam here from Future Set Mortgage Broking. Hope you're doing well. It's Friday, so bringing you those mortgage tips where each week we try to debunk some of the myths and explain some of the jargon when it comes to mortgages and property finance. And the sort of topic today is, are you sitting on the fence when it comes to buying property? Now, the reason I say this is because there's been obviously a slowdown in people purchasing property, and you've probably got good reason to sort of think that that's probably the good thing to do, is see what happens with property markets. Interest rates are going up. Let's just sit back and wait. Key thing to remember is if you've been struggling to find property, and say you were looking for property during the COVID pandemic, maybe at that time you couldn't buy property because there was too much demand for property, and people would sort of not sat on the fence and they were paying over the odds for the properties, and you just couldn't get a look in. Now, basically, we're in a situation where everyone's now sat on the fence. So this is almost could be the perfect time to start looking for property and negotiating hard with vendors and real estate agents to get the right property for you. Obviously, when the market's flooded and everyone comes off the fence, then your ability to negotiate is much more difficult, because there's always somebody else out there who has maybe a bit more cash to put in and will offer a higher price, and you're back to sort of that situation of like, I can't get ahead. So while everyone's sat on the fence right now, is why not come off the fence, understand what your finances are, understand what your borrowing capacity is, see what it is you can purchase, just know your options. And then knowing what your options are, you can then go engage a buyer's agent or do it yourself, speak to real estate agents and try and negotiate a property to meet your requirements. This is the time really when you've got the chance to sort of do that. But I guess, as always, it always comes down to looking at your finances first, get an assessment done by your mortgage broker, make sure you know what your borrowing capacity is, make sure you can afford any loans, your lifestyle, make sure there's buffers in place to so you're not going through any potential hardship in the near future. And so working with a broker like myself, I'll essentially audit your financial position to give you exactly where you are right now, what repayments might look like if they were to increase, can you afford this, and make sure you have as much information as possible before you actually go and make that sort of that property purchase. And that can be for owner occupied or investment. So yeah, just the takeaway today is, if you say to yourself you sat on the fence and waiting, that is what everyone else is doing right now. So jump off the fence, understand what your finances are, start negotiating and see what happens. Again, you don't have to move forward until you feel absolutely comfortable. So that's my tip for today. So enjoy the rest of your day. Again, if you're looking to refinance, looking to buy property, consolidate debt, build wealth through investing in property, obviously please feel free to click the link or button below, book an initial chat myself, and we can get your free assessment underway. For now though, have a great rest of the day, and like I said, enjoy your weekend and we'll chat soon.